until today. You know, I would have never thought I was going to be able to use a scythe. Sort of take steps forward as you do it. So it's like not big steps, just sort of micro steps so you can actually continue cutting. A weed whacker, it would be too much work, so why not just carry something that you can easily just fit in your backpack? And you also got to think about the environment around you. You know, the gasoline, you don't want spillage, you don't want anything that's going to cause a hazard here.
We're here to restore the meadow, help it grow more evenly so the wildlife can come and enjoy it.
There's a big ditch right in the middle of it, and all the water's going through there. We're going to be putting it into hay bales. It's to prevent the trench from getting deeper and keep it from going deeper into the actual meadow itself. To see this place, you know, one day fill up with water is going to be good for the habitat. So first we're going to be scything stuff down, cutting everything that we can to get as much hay as we can, and then we're going to drag it to the hay balers.
Hardest part, definitely dragging the hay back over here. That's a really long walk.
Yeah, it's rough terrain out here. It's wobbly, almost like just straight walking on sand that will just randomly sink in, but it's going to be worth it because we're getting a lot of hay bales done.
We just compact it, we stuff it down.
Every day we have that mindset of how much hay bales could we make. So we try to beat that every day, and the record so far, it's been 57.
It's beautiful to be out here. It's hot, but it's beautiful.
Getting the opportunity to actually be out here and get paid for it, it's really nice. To see the progress that we made, that's honestly the best part.